All right, so I've got a problem here in Con. It says in 1950, the per capita gross domestic product, GDP, of Australia was approximately $1,800. Each year afterward, the per capita GDP increased by approximately 6.7%. Write a function that gives the approximate per capita GDP of Australia T years after 1950. So I have my general form of an exponential function here. Y equals a times b to the x, where a is my initial value and b is going to be my growth factor. So I see that my initial value here is 1,800 or 1,800. I'm going to go ahead and put that. That's the starting GDP. And each year afterward, it increased by 6.7%. So I need to make 6.7 into a decimal, which I can do by dividing by 100. So my growth factor then, I've got 0.067. However, when I do this, I see that this is actually a decaying function, not a growing function. So in order to make this a growing function, what I have to do is add a 1 out here because that's considering the amount that it started with, 100% that it started with, plus the 6.7% increase. And then this does give me a growing function, which is exactly what I want. So when I come over here to type that in, it's going to be 1,800 times 1.067. And then I'm using t as my variable because it says t years after 1950. And I also have g of t here, so I need to make sure that I use t. And then I'm going to go ahead and check it, and I did a beautiful job. So all you have to do is put the equation. You're not solving for anything, just what equation you would use.